Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will discuss CRM versus SCM. Well, before watching this video, I want to give you advice so you don't get confused, and you can also first watch my video about ERP system so that all of you can understand more about this video explanation. Okay, let's just start the discussion. First, let's talk about CRM. CRM stands for the word Customer Relationship Management. CRM is a management concept that is carried out continuously or lifetime value, so that we can find out how the level of customer churn is. Customer churn is like customer that exit today and are already in the data, so we can find out the process of the customer coming in and out. The causes of the customer leaving, such as product or service are that not suitable and other things, advertising content that is less attractive and others, so that the role of CRM can reduce customer churn. CRM strategy and CRM system. CRM also requires a strategy, for example, so that we can know whether the customer is out of inventory or not, and will be notified in the form of a notification in the system. Next, there are low-end CRM system versus high-end CRM system. For this position, it's important whether it is in accordance with the initial strategy or not. Next, there are also types of customer types. This type can be read in two terms of view. You can view read from the outside to inside or from inside to outside. As from the inside points of view, for low-value repeat customers, this level is the deepest level. Above it, there is a high-value repeat customer, which means that customers who have come for the first time then place orders repeatedly. On top of that, there are also loyal repeat customers, namely customers who already have support or become sellers of the product and make repeat orders. Above this level, the name is a customer. Customer is people who come and want to buy some products. Among the customer level, there is also the nameless customer level, which means the same as customer churn. And the othermost is the target population of potential customers, which in short is prospective customers. Or if from an outside in perspective, like first before getting customers, we have to look for the target or potential customer we want. After getting a prospective customer, the customer will buy the products we sell. Then when the customer has entered and buy the products we sell, then the customer has entered the level of loyal repeat customer as well. So it is divided into these two groups, namely high value repeat customers and low value repeat customers. So to read the type or level of the customer in CRM, it is not a problem to read from the outside or from the inside. Then how do we touch customer? We can touch customer from the psychological side or from the customer side, such as in the form of web, computer, World Wide Web, email, direct mail, smartphone, service center, and many more. Of course, there are two types of CRM system operations, namely one, customer-facing application, two, customers-touching application. Both of these things will definitely provide benefits such as in terms of efficient. Personalized marketing are like goods or services that are sold or offered to customers as if they were us. Customers also need us to see 360-degree, which means paying attention to customers or customers' needs for 24 hours. We can do this in the form of social media such as Instagram, Facebook, and other social media. How about the history from the customer side? Like using Google Analytics to distinguish how a customer-facing application with a customer-touching relationship named customer-facing application consists of. First, number one, customer service. Customer service and support. This customer service and support, such as in the call center that provides advice or direction to customers both online and offline. Two, sales force automation. In this section, it is often used in insurance matters. For example, like in a data that is already all data available to the customers, such as the data of birth, which is notified in the form of a notification. Number three, marketing, namely how someone can market or introduce our product in the form of STP, target segment and positioning. And four, campaign management. Campaign management are carried out in the form of attractive promote, for example, like buy two get one free, or you can buy something and get to 20% discount with a certain minimum spend, like that, and many more. And next, for customer touching relationship consists of number one, search and comparison capabilities. Number two, technical and other information and service. Number three, customers, products, and service. These like customers can order goods or products that customers want. Number four, personalized web page. Personalized web page, for example, like if a customer has subscribed to WebAlic, it can be changed to the customer's own name. And number five, fact. Number six, email and loyalty programs. Loyalty programs in this section is in implementation of customer touching. And the last seven, email and automate response. Email and automate response, for example, like when a customer has a birthday and automatically an incoming message or grading ticket is sent through the system to the customer's email. In the analytical CRM system, analyze customer data for a variety purpose include, namely, A. We must focus on design and executing target market campaigns appropriately. We must not equalize customer desires, such as how to deliver offers and others. B. Increase customer. C. Providing input into decisions relating to products and service. That is, we have to focus from inputting data from incoming customers until the customers make the decisions to buy accept our product. Providing a financial forecasting and customer profitability analysis. The discussion about CRM has been complete. Now we will discuss about SCM. SCM has a structure. SCM stands for the word Supply Chain Management. SCM has a structure consisting of upstream, internal, and downstream. For example, in the middle position of the section there are manufacturers, namely companies that produce. It is not permissible if the new product has been produced directly given to the customer. It must through the step first. Using the distributor process and then to the retailer and finally reaching the customer's hands. In fact, manufacturing, there are 1 to 3 raw materials to be processed into finished goods, so it requires a supplier. The meaning of upstream and downstream. Upstream and downstream is only in different directions. Upstream focus on customers to seller, and downstream focus on starting from supplier to customer. The components of SCM. The component of SCM, tiers of suppliers, the flow in the supply chains, or how do we manage materials or raw materials. When we want to buy raw materials, we have to use an analysis of what kind of raw materials we want to buy. Do we need them immediately, or is there enough storage space to store the raw materials we want to buy? The 3 things really need to be considered in SCM is material flows, information flows, financial flows. Next, 5 basic components of SCM. 1. Plan. Number 2. Search. Number 3. Make like how to make it. Number 4. Deliver, like how it's delivered. And 5. Return, like how when there is a return of goods. Next, enable the partners to perform the following. 1. Reduce the cost of routine business transaction. 2. Improve the quality of the information flow by reducing or eliminating errors. 3. Compress the cycle time involved in fulfilling business transactions. 4. Eliminate paper processing and its associated inefficiencies and costs. 5. Make the transfer and processing of information easier for users. There are 2 models in the supplier are 1. Pull model and 2. Push model. Pull model namely make to stock the goods we produce and then we sell. 2. Push model. Push model namely make to order. We offer first to customer if there are customers who want to buy new products. The problems along with SCM, like uncertainties or uncertainty, such as sometimes a sudden cancellation of orders from customers. The need to coordinate multiple activities, internal units, and business partners. Like sometimes there are business coordination problems within the company or sudden cancellation of orders. Next, demand forecast, such as when in certain seasons, such as end of the year, will produce a lot of goods to be sold later. But due to the economic factors, fewer customers buy, causing the company to suffer loss. The bullwhip effect. The bullwhip effect is condition where problems arise without us being able to protect them. Then how How to solve it? Here are some solutions that can be given to solve the problem. That solution can also be added according to the experience of the company itself. First, just-in-time or JIT inventory system. Second, information sharing. And third, vendor managed inventory or FMI. Okay guys, I finished my explanation about CRM versus SCM. I hope those of you who are watching can understand and add to your knowledge from my channel. Sorry if there are wrong words. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later and goodbye.